table of derivatives, we have the function y is equal to f of x. Dy over dx, the derivatives is the same with f prime of x. So for the given, for example, if the given function is constant, what do you mean by constant? Derivative is 0. Take note. K meaning any number. Pwede siya 1, pwede 2, 3. Example, y equals 3. So kanang 3, if you are going to get or find the derivative, the answer is always equal to 0. So any number or constant number nga walay variable, ang derivative is 0. What if the given is variable x? So to find the derivative, remember nga ang x, before sa x, na siya numerical coefficient understood nga 1. Diba na siya 1 diana? Before ang x. So automatic, the derivative is equal to 1. So this is our table of derivatives. X squared, the derivative, what is the derivative of x squared? So ang buhaton kanang exponent nga 2, ibutang nimo siya diri sa front, no? Dayon minusan ang exponent og 1. So ibalhin lang nimo diri, mahimo siyang 2x. 2x. Then 2 minus 1 ang exponent minusag 1, that is equal to 1. So any variable automatic na siya nga naa na siya 1. So dili na pwede na siya dili isulat diri ang 1. For x cubed, the derivative is, again, you are going to put the number, the exponent 3 before sa x, then subtract 3 minus 1. So that is 3x. What is 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 3x squared. Then for x to the n, any constant number n, this is the g, that is ang n nga exponent, imo siyang ipabutang sa front. So mahimo siyang nx n minus 1, meaning any exponent represented by n, you subtract to 1. So this is the derivative. For the e to the power of x, this is a natural e to the x. The same lang ang derivative e to the power of x. Okay, so for e raised to the power of kx, k meaning any number. So for example, 2x or 3x. So ang kanang k nga exponent before sa x, imuha lang siyang pauna sa e. So mahimo siyang ke k to the power of x. So pwede mo makatake sa screenshot sa derivatives or take note. So I will continue. ln x, natural logarithm x, is equal to logarithm of x to the base e. Or equivalent for the derivative, when we say ln x is equal to log ex, so that is equivalent, the derivative is 1 over x. What is the derivative of sine x? The derivative of sine x is equal to cos x or cosine x. If mayroon siyang k constant, so sine kx, meaning any number before x, the derivative is k cosine kx. So ang k, you just transpose this to the first before cosine, ma-change man ang sign into cosine, that is the derivative. So k cos kx. Then cos x is equal to, the derivative is negative sine x. Cos kx is negative k sine x. Then we have tangent. Tangent x is equal to sine x over cos x. The derivative is secant squared x. This is a review. Tangent kx, that is k secant squared kx. So take note of these differentials or derivatives. Cosecant x is equal to 1 over sine x. The derivative is negative cosecant x cot x or cotangent. For the secant x, this is equivalent to 1 over cos x. The derivative is secant x tangent x. Then cotangent x is equal to cos x over sine x. The derivative is negative cosecant squared x. What if the exponent is negative 1 or inverse of trigonometric function sine? Sine inverse x, the answer for derivative is 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. Then we have also cosine inverse x. The derivative is negative 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Tangent negative 1x or inverse tangent x, the derivative is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So we have also cosine hx, sine hx, tangent hx. Okay, and so on. Inverse of this trigonometric function.